This is Layer 1 cryptos in 1 minute. You have probably heard the saying, you can have something done fast, cheap, or good, but you can only pick two. This currently applies to blockchain technology and is referred to as the scalability trilemma. Blockchains can feature two of the following properties: decentralization, security, and scalability. But the third, usually scalability, will suffer. Now, in short, a Layer 1 blockchain is a set of solutions that help improve the base protocol to make the overall system more scalable. There are many approaches to implementing L1 solutions, some of the most popular being proof of stake, proof of work, and sharding. Some of the most popular cryptos such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana are all Layer 1 tokens. Let us know in the comment section below what your favorite Layer 1 is. As always, do your own research and follow us for more.